What's up, Bronco people? I'm Ben, founder of Fero Machines. In this video, we're at Texas Motor Works in Dallas, Texas, where they'll be installing this Baja Designs XL Linkable Rooftop Light Kit on our 2021 Bronco. This kit is made up of 8 Baja Designs XL Sport lights. They're all linked together to create a full kit. It's a turnkey system specifically designed for the Bronco, including all the wiring and harnesses that utilize the factory auxiliary switches and mounting points. This Baja Designs light kit is completely waterproof and you can swap out the lenses all on your own. It's a solid kit and I'm stoked to be rocking it on our Bronco. Stay tuned to the end of this video for my review on these lights after a few months. But first, let's check out the install. Well, the guys at Texas Motor Works got the Baja Designs XL Linkable Roof Mount Light Kit installed in just a couple hours, and it immediately changed the look of the Bronco. In my opinion, worth it for that alone. These lights are insanely bright, so I'll only be using them off-road. If I used them on-road, first off, I think it's illegal. Second, you'd be blinding everybody in front of you. At the time of publishing this video, I've actually had the lights on the Bronco for a couple months, so I wanted to give you a quick review. First off, I love the look. They're easily the best looking lights available for the Bronco. Second, they're super bright. Baja Designs is known for making a high quality, super bright light, and these are no exception. Third, they're user serviceable. So what that means is you can actually swap out those lenses really easily. All you need is like a screwdriver and the replacement lens. So if you want to switch from clear to amber, you can do that yourself. If you want to change how the lighting illumination pattern is, you can. So if you want to go for more cornering visibility or straight ahead, you can just change the lens out and you've changed effectively the entire function of that light. If you had a crack in one, something like that, you can swap that out. So really grateful that they made that so easy to do and you don't have to send the whole light in or buy a replacement or anything like that. They also come with a rock guard. It's just a piece of plastic that pops on and off to cover the light. Those come in the black version with the Baja Designs logo that you saw in the video. They also have an amber and a clear one, so you can swap out the look really easily. Beyond that, this whole light bar is actually really easy to take on and off. So if you only wanted to use it while you're off-roading and you don't want it on for daily driving, things like that, you can actually take the whole thing off. And I think I did it, and me and Buddy did it in like 10 minutes. So it's undo a few bolts, pull it off, and then you just get that wiring harness that you need to relocate. So what I did is I just put it under the cowl where the windshield wiper motors are. So you can just pop that off, slide it under there, and you're good. You don't even know you had a light bar at that point. So the ability to take it on and take it off, put it back on in a matter of 10-15 minutes is amazing. So I love that about it. And lastly, Baja Designs is just a solid brand that makes a solid product. You know, for this build, we're only working with the best brands. We're not cutting any corners, and so we're really excited that Baja Designs wanted to partner with us on this build. We've got more of their lights coming for future elements in our build, and so I can't wait to show you that as well. Again, thanks to Baja Designs, thanks to Texas Motor Works for partnering with us on the build. We can't wait to show you what's next. Oh, one last thing. I wanted to tell you, Best Top, which is the same company as Baja Designs, they asked me to have my Bronco at their booth at a really cool show. And so with that, I had the top bar on there, the light bar, and then I also had the Best Top Trek Top. So here's what that looked like. Really cool event, really cool to see my Bronco in their booth, and I'm really grateful that they asked me to do it. So very cool. All right, that's it. Bye.